Hey, so I just want to make a quick video showing that any of these bills that have been received with my name on it, you can remove the name. This is horribly messy. I writ this one quick, but the other side has my YouTube channel on it. But see, what you can do, this isn't illegal to mark these bills. The only thing that you can not like mess with is the coins, like coinage. If you look into the Canadian law, it only says for coinage. So like you cannot take like a bunch of quarters and stamp them and like whatever. If they were back in the day, they were made out of silver essentially, and that's why they didn't want you tampering with it. But these bills, you could burn this bill and not get in trouble. This is your money, like at the end of the day. So what I really want to do though is show how to remove it. So what you do is you take isopropyl alcohol. If you ever do find permanent marker on a bill or wherever you want to remove the permanent marker from, and then you take this and simply get a small bit of paper towel, wet this with alcohol, and then you just wipe the bill and watch. It will come clean. It is now a brand new 50. No name on it, no nothing. So now you got a brand new 50. And you don't have to have my name on it. So if anybody has received these, or you received a bill that had permanent marker on it and you want to remove it, it is now clean. Look at that, completely clean. Still good on the other side. Name's still there. So yeah, because I did have my psychiatrist mention that I was committing a crime, like writing on bills, but it's not a crime. This is totally legal. As far as I know. If someone can direct me to a link that proves me wrong, I will update the video. But as far as I know, you can do whatever you want with the bills. It's the coins that they don't want you tampering with, which is illegal to tamper with them. Because back in the day, they used to use silver in their coins. So you could, I guess, potentially make more money than you were receiving. So say you receive a bunch of 10-cent pieces that are all made from silver and melted them down, you actually have more money than like what the coins were worth themselves. So you have $10 in coins and you melt them down and now you got 15. That would influence people to want to melt the coins down. But yeah, so essentially you can remove permanent marker from essentially anything with some alcohol. And that is, yeah, my little tutorial for today. This bill, I don't know, maybe like one of the last tips I give out that's big for now, at least. I do have some court stuff coming, so who knows? Maybe I'll have some more money to help people out with, which I would love to be able to do because it makes me happy helping people out. I want to see a smile on people's faces. And I know it's not all about just giving money out, but I know it's also those people that really do deserve it will appreciate it. So yeah, I just wanted to show that. That's my tutorial on how to clean permanent marker off.